How to download songs from your Spotify account or from the Spotify browser or Spotify application or website. For this, I'll simply open my Spotify app on my device here and then click on any song I want. Now we will try clicking the three dots and check that if there is any option to download the song. So as you can see that there is no available option to download a song just from this menu. For this, what you have to do is simply click on Explore Premium and you simply have to subscribe for Spotify Premium in order to download the songs. As you can see in the mini, that is rupees 25 for a week, and in this you can simply offline listen the songs up to 30 songs on one device. You simply have to do one time payment for this and then it will be debited from your account. There are 5 premium options for this as per your budget. You can simply subscribe to it and then you can start downloading or you can start listening offline songs without any network connection just on your Spotify application. After you subscribe it, you will be able to download or listen any song for offline. And you can simply cancel this anytime. And after the free trial, you will get refund if that is debited from your account. This is all about the video. That is the legal option to do this. Thank you so much for watching this.